do you see a pattern that makes it hard for their graduates to transition into business? Is it like the way they set up the curriculum, their resources, and their agendas? Do you see that there is a natural conflict in finding a career that is also bound to be successful in business beyond academia?
That is a really good question, and I think I do. The natural conflict comes in the fact that, I'll say certainly in the UK and in mainland Europe, and I think in some other countries as well, a doctoral student, a PhD student, is often recruited for very different reasons than a student on a taught degree, right? A student on a taught degree is someone there to pay fees, be in that class, be part of that curriculum. But PhD researchers are recruited, particularly in science often, to enhance a supervisor's reputation, right? They're hired with responsibilities that a taught student isn't recruited with. And I think that introduces what you see are these natural conflicts because, to some degree, why shouldn't a professor who hires a PhD student to work on a particular project that is important for their lab or their reputation, why shouldn't that professor want that research to be that PhD student's focus? Why would they want that PhD student off doing other things when the reason that they've brought them on board is to complete that piece of research? And I see it from that perspective. I think there is sometimes a conflict between why the PhD student is there for the professor, for the student themselves, for the university, and then for people like myself who support those researchers. And it is a very difficult balance to find.